Here we'll compare two testing platforms, TestDino and BrowserStack, based on setup, platform features, team management, and communication. Starting with BrowserStack with local setup. First, sign up on the platform to create an account. You'll receive a username and an access token, which will be required for uploading test results to the platform. The core principle behind BrowserStack's analytics and reporting lies in the BrowserStack.yml file, which defines all configurations, including whether tests run locally or on BrowserStack's infrastructure and other configs. These settings are then leveraged by the BrowserSDK CLI to execute tests and upload results to the platform. The setup process is divided into 3 steps. 1. Get the API keys. 2. Download the BrowserStack SDK and configure the BrowserStack YML file. This file specifies access tokens, project names, browsers and operating systems to run tests on, parallel execution if required, and the type of information to capture as results. You also configure which testing framework is being used and whether results should be sent to the BrowserStack platform for analysis. 3. Execute the test with the BrowserStack command along with the framework-specific command for test execution. Once execution is complete, you can view the results and analytics on the BrowserStack dashboard. For CI setup, the process is similar. You configure the GitHub workflow YML file with your project requirements, then use BrowserStack GitHub actions to set up access tokens and project names. After standard steps like checkout and installing dependencies, you run the BrowserStack command along with your framework command. Tests then run on BrowserStack's infrastructure, with results sent to their platform for analytics. The trade-off is vendor lock-in and added setup for sharding in the config. Now compare that to TestDino. Simply create a project, grab a token to link with your Playwright project, and you're ready to go. For uploading test executions to TestDino, just ensure the native Playwright JSON and HTML reporters are enabled in your Playwright config. No external reporters, no extra configuration, and no code changes required. Run your tests as usual with Playwright native command. Once the run is complete, upload results instantly with a single command by providing the test results directory and the TestDino token. That's all it takes. Every newly executed test run instantly appears in the test run's view, complete with execution metadata and AI-powered failure and error categorization. In CI, the process is incredibly simple. For uploading test executions to TestDino, just ensure the native Playwright JSON and HTML reporters are enabled in your Playwright config. In your YAML workflow, execute tests using the usual native Playwright command. For sending execution results to TestDino, simply add a single line specifying the test execution results directory and TestDino token, with option to upload Playwright HTML report. That's it. As soon as execution finishes, results flow straight into TestDino. Instantly view test run results, neatly organized into failure types, error categories, and AI-driven insights, all delivered effortlessly without any extra setup or overhead. BrowserStack provides feature suites for both web and mobile applications, supporting manual and automated testing. However, most capabilities are centered around its own infrastructure. For manual testing, it offers live testing, a browser extension toolkit, and other supporting tools. In automated testing, it includes observability features, low-code automation to record user actions to generate tests, and test management tools for organizing and executing runs across multiple browsers within BrowserStack's infrastructure. But our main focus is on BrowserStack Observability, which provides analytics for test executions. The platform is structured into several key areas: overview, dashboards, projects, and project-specific analytics, including build runs, test health, unique errors, testing trends, and project settings. The overview provides high-level takeaways such as overall stability, flaky tests, consistently failing tests, and project notifications. Dashboards allow users to customize different views per project with visualizations like build performance charts, error timelines, and other key metrics. Project-specific analytics gives deeper insights, looking at build runs filterable by author, branch, or other parameters. Insights shows metrics such as flakiness, pass/fail summaries, error categories, and folder-level failure categories analysis. Tests lists all tests and suites with detailed execution results including logs, screenshots, and traces. Test health aggregates all test executions within a given time frame, providing metrics on history, failure rates, and durations. Unique errors highlights distinct errors messages across the project, along with filters and the tests they affect. Testing trends visualizes historical test run data in graphs showing flakiness, stability, execution volumes, new failures, and others. Finally, the settings section enables project-level configurations such as build instability alerts, smart tags, automated failure analysis, unique error mapping, and failure categories, quality gates, all of which feed back into the analytics and reporting. Unlike other tools that feel cluttered or complex, TestDino takes the opposite approach. Its clean, intuitive UI makes it effortless to move through dashboards, test runs, pull requests, AI insights, and analytics. Teams can instantly find what they need and gain actionable visibility in a simple, natural way with speed. Test runs go beyond simple execution logs. They give teams instant visibility into every run, filterable by timeframe, author, branch, or environment, helping quickly answer when, where, and why failures occurred. Each run captures all test cases, specs, and configs, with error messages neatly categorized into assertions, timeouts, network issues, or element not found. Failures are then classified as UI changes, bugs, unstable, or miscellaneous, so teams don't just see what failed, but understand the nature of the failure. With screenshots, steps, retries, and even direct links to Playwright HTML reports, teams save hours of digging across different tools. Runs also highlight new, consistent, or regression failures, turning patterns into clear signals. Next is pull requests. TestDino's built-in tracking shows exactly which change caused a failure. No manual effort needed. With filters by PR status, author, or recency, developers quickly find root causes, saving time on log hunting and speeding up reviews. Then we move to AI insights. It reveals what's happening, why it occurs, and when it impacts your tests, transforming raw execution data into clear, actionable intelligence. The Overview tab surfaces persistent and emerging issues that need attention, making it clear which tests are becoming liabilities. The Analysis Insights graph tracks error categories like assertions or network issues across branches and environments, showing trends and their true impact. Instead of reactive firefighting, teams can prioritize fixes proactively, boosting release speed and reliability. Analytics builds on this by giving every role the big picture through clean, filterable graphs. The summary view shows overall test health, failures, retries, and flakiness trends, helping managers see whether quality is improving or slipping. Test Run Analytics compares performance across branches, catching regressions before they hit production. Test Case Analytics dives deeper into KPIs at the test level, while Environment Analytics highlights cross-branch stability patterns. Together, these views transform testing from raw execution data into decision-ready intelligence. Finally, the dashboard ties everything together. QA engineers see KPIs and AEI summaries to validate quality across environments. Developers get real-time insights on which PRS are safe to merge and alerts for flaky tests affecting their work. Managers see blockers, branch health, and release readiness at a glance. By tailoring insights by role, the dashboard ensures every stakeholder makes faster, more confident decisions, whether it's fixing issues, shipping code, or planning releases. Now let's look at team management and integrations. Starting with BrowserStack allows inviting users as admins or members with product-level roles like tester, viewer, or product user. For integrations, it connects with project management and issue tracking tools such as Jira and Trello, and supports Slack for team communication. With TestDino, collaboration goes beyond just running tests. Teams can be structured with clear roles, from admins and members to viewers, billing managers, and even external users with time-bound access. This ensures the right level of visibility and control for everyone involved. When issues arise, TestDino connects directly with Jira and Linear, so failures or bugs spotted in test executions can instantly be raised as actionable tickets. On the communication front, Slack integration brings real value by notifications, summaries, and AI-driven insights about test runs delivered straight into the team's Slack channel. With new integrations rolling out daily, TestDino fits seamlessly into your workflow, keeping teams aligned and decisions faster. In conclusion, BrowserStack locks you into its infrastructure, needs heavy YML setup, and its analytics feel basic and scattered. TestDino delivers effortless setup, a clean, intuitive UI, smooth navigation, built-in pull request tracking, and AI-driven insights, giving teams faster clarity, smarter decisions, and more reliable releases.